Good morning, everybody. We're going old school today. Black and white. Let's see. Okay, so I'm not going to be with you today. I'm going to let you work on your own. Got to learn to do it sooner or later. And anyway, this is two very quick things. Well, not very quick. I mean, it might take you half an hour. I'm talking about the last two exercises in the workbook for this chapter. Activity 9H on page 55 to 56. Note that there is a word bank on page 56. That's what you use. If you just try to start on 55 without looking at that word bank, you're going to be confused, so don't do that. After that, you have activity 9I, which is a reading Latin. The directions say, look at the new vocabulary following this story. So right down at the bottom of the page there, you see possumus, we are able, and philia means daughter. So use that, they'll show up. Then read the story, noting prepositional phrases with the accusative and those with the ablative. By the way, pause this video if you have to get your workbook up and follow along with me here, obviously. Reread the story for comprehension. Wait, hold on. Then read the story, noting prepositional phrases with accusative and those with the ablative. Right, okay. Reread the story for comprehension, and then rewrite the prepositional phrases in the sentences below the story to make the statements true. So you're going to see 4 sentences on page 57 that will be factually incorrect according to the story. Hope that makes sense. You are going to punch in a new prepositional phrase to make it actually match up with what you read in the little passage there, okay? And I'm going to let you figure that out. I think that's pretty clear. 4 sentences that have mistakes with prepositional phrases that don't work. You make a new preposition to make it match the facts of the story. Go through the story slowly, carefully. I'm going to back up again to page 55, 9H. I'm going to give you the first answer, okay? So again, it says, using the word bank on the next page, write the word that could replace the italicized word or words in each sentence. Use the Latin words in parentheses to help determine the meaning of the English words. They are talking about on the next page where that word bank is. For example, misery comes from misera. So write the English translation of each word in the word bank. So on the word bank, again on 56, you're looking at misery, which comes from misera, and you know that means sad or miserable. And you write that in there. But then you try to find the sentence in those 10 sentences that needs the word misery. And I think that you can see it's on the first page, number 5. When Cornelius finished, Cornelia's face revealed her unhappiness. Obviously, unhappiness is the same thing as misery. So that's what you do. Maybe you want to start with the word bank, fill in the English meaning for the Latin words that are in parentheses, and then go back and just finish those sentences above with the English derivatives that come from the Latin words. I hope that's clear. If not, feel free to text me, email me, etc. But I am going to let you work on your own today, okay? All right. I hope it goes okay. All you have to do is write the answers into the workbook, and then we will go over it in class tomorrow, okay? Don't forget you have a vocabulary quiz on Friday. Okay, that's it for me now. Have a good day.
Hurry, 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 take the train to get to Sugar Hill way up in Harlem. If you should take a train